Hello, I'm Ben from Waves Remodeling. We're here in Redwood City in this beautiful gala kitchen. I'm here with my client. This is Samir. Let's see what Samir has to say about the project.
Hi, I'm Samir, and we chose Waves Remodeling for our kitchen remodel, and we're very happy with the results that they came up with. So we found Ben through Tech. I got quotes from a few people, but just got the best vibe from Ben as far as just ability to get stuff done, and just kind of he meshed with our personality and just was the best person to turn our vision into reality. So overall, Ben's style kind of, just when me and my wife had any sort of disagreements and stuff, Ben was a very good intermediary to help us move forward to figure out what the best materials were. He was very informative with the choices he provided and the design suggestions he had, and helped us just move forward with picking the best materials to just make our kitchen come out the way it did. So overall, things were communicated on a daily basis as far as when people would show up, and it was very easy to communicate with, making sure that people came at the right time, and there weren't many major surprises. So everything kind of moved as expected. Would recommend it without any hesitation.